How did AQ Skin Solutions come about?
So AQ Skin Solution started when I was in college. I was doing my training at UC Irvine, and I had an idea of using growth factors to help heal wounds, especially burn. And this is really how we started in 2008 when I first started like an office kind of setting, and then in 2010 when the company officially was formed. So I would say it started around 2006, and all the build up, all the testing, all the science, the writing of the patents and so forth. And then 2010 it became a company registered with a location and an official operations.
What would you like to educate people the most about growth factors?
Since the start of AQ, education was the heart, core of this company. I'm a professor by profession, and I wanted to make sure that people are educated about what we're selling and what we're trying to promote. So I really started giving the medical field a basic biology classes, explaining to them what growth factors are, what proteins are, how the signaling works, what are signaling molecules, how the receptor work, and really build up to the efficacy and safety of the products. And this is really how we started.
How do you think AQ Skin Solutions products and treatments fit into the current clinical setup and client expectations?
So, unlike other brands, AQ was created specifically for professionals, specifically for a clinical setting. So we know what doctors faces every day. We know what their problems are. What the condition they have to sort out. And, so we created the product for them, to make sure that it fits and support their clientele, their patients, and the treatment they want to offer, and also in conjunction with other modalities such as microneedling and lasers, which are used heavily in all these clinics. So this is really how we started. We didn't make a product and ask the medical field to adapt to them. What we did, we adapted to the medical field needs, and we fixed all the problems and the shortcoming of the market. And I think this is where we succeeded.
If you had to pick one of the skincare range for a clinic to say that it's an imperative product, which would it be and why?
AQ. AQ is designed that way. The recovery is, I think, one of the most amazing product ever developed in this field. The diversity and the efficacy, it works with everything, it does everything. It's really an all-around product. So recovery has been something that we are very proud of.
How powerful would you say the growth factors in AQ products are compared to others on the market?
We are the most studied. We are the purest of all. We are the most patent of all growth factors in the market. We have more publication. We are the most awarded. This is really speaks highly of our product and efficacy and range. So I don't think to date, and I don't want to sound arrogant, but I don't think to date there's any product that even come close to it. There's a lot of imitators trying to copy what you're doing, but I don't think they will be able to catch up.
What inspired you to start AQ Skin Solutions in the industry?
Really, for me, I'm always curious, and I wanted to see, how far we can go with this. I'm always curious to know if we can improve certain things, and really curiosity what drove me to this, and it just worked really well for us. I think there was a lot of missing links in the clinic settings. There's a lot of products missing that we need to help and enhance and improve. And this is really was my motivation, curiosity, and to discover more things to bring to the market and to the professionals.
What sets AQ Skin Solutions apart from other skincare brands on the market?
We are safety, efficacy, science. We are very detail oriented. You can see detailed on our products. Even the packaging, we went to a whole length of details to make sure the product stays safe, stay fresh and effective. So we're very detail oriented. We don't work on the marketing and the colors and, but we are practical. So we give the patient and the doctors what they want in high quality product. So we're not a flash product, but we are settled, detailed. If you look at the detail of the boxes and the bottles, you'll know that there's a lot of thought that put onto them to become where they are right now.
How are the products developed and where are they developed?
So all AQ products have been developed in the lab, really old-fashioned lab work, mixing and matching. We did a lot of, any product that comes out of AQ has been tested and over-tested. Maybe some people will tell you, we're over-testing the product, we're overdoing it, But, a lot of people knows AQ for quality. So, we cannot take this in the chance. I mean, once we make a product, we make the best there is. We cannot take shortcuts. We don't take, we compromise on anything. We do it well. And innovation is part of the core of the company. So we don't do a me too product. We do the best there is. And this is what we're known for.
What are some of the biggest challenges you faced in growing AQ Skin Solutions and how have you overcome them?
Lack of education. The field, I wrote a book about it, the Real World Skin Solutions. The field is full of bad information, bad science, and nobody ever bothered to read and dig into the claim that the companies are making. So this is one of the challenges, when we come in, we are very scientific, and then I see other brand that coming in, and we welcome competition always because competition is good for the end user. But the problem is they use bad science and they start mixing, giving us a bad name because they start making claims on things that are not possible. So it's really, this is one of the toughest things that I have to deal with all the time. Something will come up with pseudoscience, fake science, sometimes I call it, and they come and pollute the science that we are creating, and others created. So this is some of the challenges.
Can you explain recovery serum to us?
So recovery serum is highly concentrated product with growth factors. It's the highest concentration growth factor ever, I think, in the market. We made sure that this product heals everything that it touches. It has huge anti-inflammatory properties. It's going through, as we speak, clinical trials right now to convert it as a medical device for diabetic ulcers and chronic wounds, done in multiple universities, big universities that they're actually have given grant for the testing. We published a paper, a group published a paper 2001 regarding use it for diabetic ulcers, and the result has been amazing. And since the curiosity of a lot of scientific institutions have wanted to study it and focus on it, so they did, and now it's going to clinical trials. So hopefully by the end of the year we will publish a paper and we'll make the announcement of going into the process of getting it as drug.
Could you briefly explain hair complex to us, please?
So the hair complex is, a lot of people will tell you it's what put AQ in the map. Hair challenges is one of the most hair condition are the most challenging things, until today. We don't have a very unique, easy product for hair growth. So a paper got published in 2017 that showed the efficacy rate of 93%, which has never been recorded. But before that, I started the hair complex in 2011, I think, and it's really put the AQ in the map because it became one of the most used product in Asia and in America. and then soon later, like in the world. So it's you can make a very good argument that the hair complex would put AQ in the global map. So it's amazing product.
Could you explain the VRS product, please?
Okay, so the VRS is really a testimonial to the AQ innovation. We're the first one to come up with this product. It was advised by my marketing and business team that this might be the suicide product. We don't know how to sell it. We are not in this field. We sell to aesthetic, plastic surgeon, dermatologist. How are we going to sell this in the field where we started? So, the first year we could not sell a lot of the product. And I was almost in 2012 about to pull it from our production line. But late that year, there was there's a lot of movement in the aesthetic gynecology field, and a lot of the companies who develop devices for aesthetic gynecology decided to combine it with the VRS because it was unique and there's the only product available in the market. So after that, the VRS became one of the fastest growing product. We sell so much of it that we don't even advertise anymore because we couldn't keep up with the demand. And one thing we made with the VRS is the way we produce it is very lengthy and hideous actually to produce. So we couldn't make the volumes and the quantities, but we have improved we have improved the production line right now, and we're doing really well with it. So it's really a testimonial of our innovation, thinking outside the box.
Could you explain your active serum, as it's the UK's #1 selling product?
Yes, so the active serum is our first product. We started with the active serum, and really it gave us the traction to bring the eye serum afterward. The active serum have won more award than any other brand in the world. My first award was from the active serum. It was in the US, and after that, it's a really complete product that has everything. I mean, if you use the active serum just for twice a day, and nothing else, you'll do really well for your skin. So, active serum is a star.
You have recently launched 2 new AQ products that are injectables onto the market. Can you explain both of the products for us and what they do?
Yes, so AQ is no longer a skincare company only. We're going to medical devices now, so we're a fully medical aesthetic company. That's where we're heading. So we started launching a year ago our first filler, which is the Ultra Deep. This is a variation. It's done specifically. It's the first smart filler on the market. It's unique. Have unique properties. It's mostly because of the cross-linking, the way we do it, and it has been really amazing. It's sold faster than we thought it would, and we're very happy with it. So the Ultra Deep is we start with Ultra Deep. Then early this year we introduced the Retouch, which is the skin booster. It's the first 3-dimensional approach to skin hydration and lifting. We done really, really well. We have more back order than we ever thought we would. We're very happy with it. And this summer we are launching the remaining line, which is the body filler, we call it Shape XL, and then we have the Romance, which is designed for the lips and the nose. And then we have Silk, which is the soft filler for under the eye treatment or periorbital area. So by this summer, we will have the full range available for our clients globally. We're going through also registration worldwide, so hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have it registered everywhere.
How do you keep on top of what you feel clients need for skincare and injectables?
So the ultimate goal for AQ is to develop a range of product that will fit and satisfy all the needs of the clinic. We are doing fillers, we're doing skincare, we're doing skin therapy. We are introducing also a fat processing machine that we started in the US that has huge success. And now we're going to introduce it by the end of the year to the rest of the world, called MAPS. It's a micro fat processing system. It's very innovative. It's very simple to use. It's very safe, and the results are amazing. It matches, it fills all the gaps that's within this market. So really, we are moving to be able to satisfy the entire needs of the clinics. People grow to trust the AQ brand globally, and now we are working to make sure that this brand and the product we offer support what we start doing since 2010.
Why do you think people should use the Pro-Define range of fillers compared to all the fillers on the market?
So, there's a lot of fillers in the market. The fillers market is one of the most competitive in the aesthetic, and the companies that involved in this market are gigantic, and they've been in the field for a long time, longer than AQ. So the only way we can come into this market is by developing an innovative way and innovative products, and this is what we've done. We developed a very unique type of product. It's the first smart fillers. What does smart means? It means it's safer. It does not come with pain. There's no lidocaine, but still it doesn't come with pain. It will always give you a natural results. It's comfortable and does many things. So even some cases, if you inject it wrong, it will self-correct by itself. So all these unique properties, they don't have it in other fillers. Since we started, a lot of people were not sure what that means, but once they start using it, a lot of the doctors are now coming back saying, listen, this is different than anything else we tried, and now they're ordering more, they're trusting the brand more, the patient satisfaction has been more than anything I've seen. I've used fillers in the past, and I tell you, the satisfaction is amazing. Really, patient happiness is really what we drive for, and this have delivered in a big way.
Why do you think the Retouch Skin Booster is better than other skin boosters on the market?
So skin boosters have been the black horse of the market. It's the fastest injectable treatments in the world today. And there are very few players in the field. However, they're all similar, and the delivery has not been satisfying. So we came up with this new approach to skin hydration and lifting, which is a 3D approach. And it's easy to do, is comfortable for the patient. Result comes out very fast. You don't have to repeat the process every month or so, or every 2 weeks. Doesn't leave any marks. There's no mosquito bite. It's just safer, comfortable treatment, and delivers result faster than anything in the market. So it's a new approach. It's never been done. We patent the process, and we are very, very happy with the market response so far. I mean, I'm really thrilled, and the patient satisfaction has been amazing. So I'm very happy with this.
How do you balance science and innovation with the need to keep products accessible and affordable for customers?
So really, it goes back to the core of the company. We started a company, or I started a company, making sure we make good products. Innovation is the core of everything we do, not just for production, but even the way we do business within the company is innovative. I encourage ideas. I always look for new things. Me being in the market, I know the shortcomings, so I try to fix them, and I don't really put a price on that. I go in, we make the investment, we do a lot of trials until we come up with the solution, and once the solution is there, we invest in it. So maybe it's not the best business approach, but for sure it's the best scientific approach, and this is really what has been the backbone of this company. So, innovation. Once we finish with the idea, we make it real, then, we bring it to the market. And so far, we've been very successful.
How do you see AQ Skin Solutions evolving, and where would you hope to see AQ Skin Solutions in the future?
So, AQ Skin Solution is I want to be the leader in the market. I don't want to be a successful company. I don't want to be. We are successful right now. I don't want to say we are a profitable company. We are profitable right now. We're doing really well. What I wanted is to be the top. I need to be. I'm very. I don't like to settle for second. I like to be the best in anything I do. It's always been my curse, I think, but I really like to do things well, and I like to do. I like to change people's life to the better. This is what I started this whole journey for. Studying for a long time, going to universities and learning more and more. I wanted to make a difference for people's life. This company is not set up to make money or to make a profit. This company is set up to change the way people live, improve their lives, bring new things to the world. So this is what we're doing, and this is where we'll continue to do, and we will.
If there was anything that you would like to say to somebody thinking of taking on AQ Skin Solutions or the new range of injectables, what would it be that you would like to say to them of why they should take it?
So if they're looking for something effective, if they're looking for something safe, if they're looking for innovation, the choices in the market is very little, really. So AQ has been in the market for over 12 years right now, and we have delivered big. And I think, the customers, the clients, the patients right now really go into the doctor's office asking for AQ. Whatever AQ I want. This has been the echo. This is what I've seen in social media right now. So, this is what we wanted to do, provide the best solution for the patient, the safest and the best result that they can get.